Hello guys, in this specific video I'm gonna show you how to use one of the nicest features for traders, which is the risk management tool. In this specific feature, guys, you would be able to block the account for position increase if you had a big loss, or if you had a sequence of losses, even gains, that you would protect yourself from you. Okay, so here you're gonna have a total loss of the account higher than I don't know, $100, a total gain of the account of $100, a drawdown in the account higher than $100, consecutive losses for each asset. Number 3, for example, reach it, close the trade, so you don't want to do more than 5 trades. Done. If a time reaches, and even like you have lock, so if you lock editing by activating the risk management time lock, you're enabling a new layer of locks on your trades. If any of the risk parameters are triggered with the functionality enabled, you will not be able to increase the position or change until the time is defined. Okay, so the fields will be locked for the tournament time. So this is another layer that, guys, if you for some reason reach it one of the items here, you won't be able to change and continue trading, do revenge trading for at least or the end of the day right here, or 1 hour or 2 hours. Okay, so this is another feature, like prevent operational errors, right? Maximum financial limit for a single order, maximum financial limit for a position per asset, block order submission if the market is below the average position price, so you don't pretty much add to losers. So these are some of the features that pretty much you can use. Like, important to mention, risk management does not perform auto close trades, so we don't close trades with the feature. Okay, so we are not able to, okay, if I have $10,000 loss in a day, I'm gonna close the position and block the account. No, this is more like for increasing positions and preventing operational errors. Okay, and that's it. Hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.